Hey artists, it's Miss Kit and I'm back with another little lesson for you. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you once again how to turn a scribble into art. It can simply be art on its own, or you can use it as a background to add art on top. Let's take a look at what materials you need to get started. You will need some paper, crayons or oil pastels, watercolor paint, water, and a brush. Let's start with the scribbles. Just let the scribble flow and let the mark take you in different directions. We are being mindful about our mark making. So think about your choice of color. Think about the areas that are left blank and how you can fill the space with those lines and colors. The crayons are made out of wax, so they're going to push away the watercolor. This is the same for oil pastels. The wax and the oil pushes away the watercolor, allowing the crayon and the oil pastel to show through. We call this type of art or technique a resist. Once you've filled your entire paper with different scribbles, you can then move on to adding the watercolor. Now be mindful not to layer the watercolor on too thick. It is watercolor, so you need the water to help it move and also allow that water in the paint to let the wax and the oil from the crayon and oil pastel show through. Again, think about your color choices. I'm sticking with yellows, pinks, purples, and reds for my color theme. But you can decide if you want to choose other colors or all the colors. It's up to you. I'm going to finish with a bit of orange in the corner, enjoying how the colors are blending together. Now this can serve as a piece of art in itself. Or you can choose to use it as a background. Once dry, you could draw on top, or you can use art from a different activity. For example, I'm going to cut out one of my scribble monsters and add the scribble monster on top. This can add to the story of my scribble monster. Maybe this is where my scribble monster is from. The possibilities are endless. Remember, you can use crayons or oil pastels and combine different art projects together to create some scribble art.